Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. We are from group 3 in class 6A. Today we will discuss the topic about the importance and characteristics of a good presentation. The members of the group is I am Saskia Adelia and my college Siti Nur Hasanah and Muhammad Barat. Alright, when was the last time you gave a presentation in English? How was it? How do you feel about presenting something? Imagine that if you could present information in an engaging and interactive way, the audience will definitely be enthusiastic and find it easier to understand the presentation's material. This topic is important because presentations are one of the most effective ways to convey the information, ideas to other people, and whether in the world of the business, education, or everyday life, good presentation skills are needed. The purpose of this presentation is to learn the characteristics of good presentations, strategies for making interesting presentations, and tips for delivering presentations effectively. By studying this material, you are expected to be able to improve your presentation skills, convey the information more effectively and interestingly, grab the audience attention and engage them in the presentations, and last, achieve your presentation goals more easily. The first material is what is good presentation. Good presentation is not only seen from the content of the presentation, but also the way presenter delivers the presentation. And then, how to start? How can we start the good presentations? First, we will be prepared. Preparing yourself and the material to be presented. Second, connect with the audience. Make eye contact with the audience and your audience to engage attention for the audience. And third, be positive. Always think that you can do a good presentation and that the audience will understand the material you will explain. A good presenter should be prepared, believe herself, and interactive with the audience. Know the audience and prepare good visual to manage questions well. And then, why presentations are important? Because the presentations are powerful tools that can be used to first persuade or convince others. A good presentation can make your audience agree with your ideas or take the action with what you want. And second, build credibility. The presentations are good that are informative and delivered with confidence, with your skills and knowledge. This can make others respect and trust you more. And then, promote problem solving. The presentations can be used to identify problems, evaluate solutions, and gain support for action plans. Then, strengthen personal branding. An engaging and professional presentation can help you build a reputation as a top leader in the field. Preparing and delivering a presentation requires you to be able to adapt your communication style to different audience. And last, encourage lifelong learning. The process of research and presentations preparations require you to continuously learn and update your knowledge.
Okay, thank you, Saskia. The next, how do you make your presentation interesting? Presentation is a very important skill in the world of business, education, and in daily activities. However, not everyone has the natural ability to make a good presentation. To be successful in presenting, you need to master several techniques that can attract the audience attention. There are several ways to make your presentation good and interesting to the audience. And number one, prepare yourself well. Make sure you get enough rest and eat a balanced nutrition before starting your presentation. Not only that, Make sure you also understand the presentation material and are able to deliver in very the activity. And the number 2, create an attractive presentation design. Cause an appropriate presentation that and avoid color combination that are too fresh or difficult to see. Bigger background and text colors short contrast to easy reading. The next, and number 3, master the presentation material, not memorize it. Mastering the material make you more flexible in conveying message and interaction with the audience. This also makes the audience more comfortable listening to the presentation. And the last, number 4, carry out two-way communication with the audience. Make sure to deliver a presentation while inviting to audience to be directed, innovate through discussion and question and answer in the activity. Okay, next will be explained by my colleague. Next, Barat.
Okay, next, audience presentation that the audience don't like. Number 1, looking at the screen too often. If it is a live presentation, please don't look so hard at the screen that you don't realize it. Your audience is indifferent and don't pay attention to the information you're conveying. Make a contact. If the situation is an online meeting, what you need to do to keep your audience focused is to occasionally ask for feedback or mention your audience name. Number 2, talking continuously without involving the audience. Presentation is a two-way communication activity. There is sender and recipient of the message. The point is that here is interaction between them. If you keep talking without any other interaction, it is likely that the audience will get bored because there is no opportunity to get involved. The form of interaction can be a discussion, asking for options, and or operating them. Number 3, not appreciating the audience. To create a good relationship with your audience, one way is to give them appreciation. No need for gift or anything like that. Just listen when they speak, say thank you, and invite other audience members to clap for them. Occasionally, praise your audience, make them important. Next.
Alright. From the material we have discussed earlier, it can be concluded that the presenters can apply several effective elements to your presentations, like determine your audience needs, be creative, learn from experience, and attend other presentations. The way you can improve your good presentation skills is you can do this: enrich written and verbal communication skills, enhance confidence and self-image, boosted critical thinking and problem-solving capabilities, better motivational techniques, increase leadership skills, expand time management, negotiation, and creativity. Okay, this last material for these presentations today. We have one quote about the good presentations from Gar Reynolds, that people don't care about your slides, but they care about the story you tell with them. Thank you for your attention and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.